present.
Let's open this one. What?
Here's the paper.
Look, who's that?
Ariel.
Ariel.
Bobby.
Poppy. And who's this?
Dad.
Dora. And who else?
Wait.
Who?
Didi.
Reed.
Oh, Reed.
Or grapes.
Graham, who's this?
Graham, look.
Who's this?
Daddy.
Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Graham? You want to blow Daddy a kiss?
Mwah.
Mwah.
Peace.
Look. I have another present.
Another present?
This is from Nana.
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 Tear it. Ooh.
Bulldozer. Can you turn the present around? Bulldozer, Graham. Say thank you, Nana.
Nana.
Graham, say thank you, Nana.
Nana.
This is from Uncle Justin. Hey, look, Mommy, hold this one. You open that.
Grandma.
Look, who is that? Mickey.
Let's see.
Here's one. Let's open this one.
Open.
Goofy.
It'd be nice if you like Disney, Graham. Really enjoy these gifts.
Who was that?
That's what I got.
Daddy. Daddy got the next one.
Alright, this one for I get right under your nose today.
Nana.
They traded one buzz, they said.
Look,
Grandma, look.
Is it a birthday, Mickey?
Bye.
And who else?
Play back.
Who else?
Graham, show me it. Graham, show me it.
Show it to Uncle
Who's
Justin.
Uncle Justin?
Nana.
Show
Hey,
the
Nana.
show the camera your pin.
Show him your pen.
Show him the pin.
Show him.
Who's on there, Graham?
Graham, look.
Bye.
And
And
Woody.
bye.
Hey, open another present.
Alright, let's open this
That one's
present.
from Nana. That's
Here
another
we go,
present
here we
from
go.
Nana.
Let's see if he'll sit down again.
Yeah, Graham, can we sit in your chair? Can we sit on the table and open?
Watch, tear it.
Away.
Woody, who else?
Daddy.
Jesse, who
Turn it
else?
around.
Bye.
Who?
Bo.
Book. Perfect.
Bye.
Even Nana can see him reading.
Cute.
Buzz. Here, buddy.
Look.
I'm going to scoot you back in the
Oh,
middle.
man. You got some serious.
Yeah,
Here,
here,
bud.
let's look at this present.
Look, can you
Look.
take the paper? Look,
Graham,
Graham.
look.
Look at
He
that.
wants the book.
Away.
Graham, look at this.
Look, ooh.
Can you pull the paper out?
Pull it out. Pull it out.
Away.
Yeah. Pull the paper out.
Thank you.
Here, Grammy. Look.
Look.
Look what's in here.
Look.
What?
Buzz strikes again.
It's a train.
Oh, it's a train. Train.
Who's that from?
That's from Mommy and Daddy, I think.
Yeah.
Say thanks, mommy.
It's a train.
Say thanks, mom.
This is from Mimi.
That's
And
from Mimi
Pops.
Pops. Look behind you.
Graham, look right here.
He's digging that book.
Graham, look in this bag.
What?
What is that?
Daddy.
Tractor.
Tractor.
Spin the front wheels.
Work to do. Follow me up. Hey, buddy, I'm running rough today.
Wow.
Graham, look.
Mama got me.
Oh, I said that was from. Look, Graham.
Graham, look.
Who's that?
Mommy.
Darby, puppy. Who's this? Who's that?
Yeah.
Dora. And who's this?
Lightning Ray.
And who's this?
Mia.
Meter.
What's Meter say?
I don't know, what does Megan say?
He said, get her gun. Something.
It's on the very bottom. Graham, look at this. Ready?
Graham, look.
What?
Oh, dude. Look at this. Look.
Graham, look at Daddy.
Look at Daddy. Look.
Look what Daddy has.
Nene.
Who else is
And
on
look,
there?
look. Look, Graham.
Graham, who else is on there?
Look. Look. Right here.
Dito.
Pluto. What do you say? What do you say? What do you say?
Graham.
Graham, look at Mimi.
Graham.
Look at Uncle Justin, actually. Graham, look. Graham. Wave.
What if you grew up in like SeaWorld, Graham?
Yeah, first time we go, he will.
Okay, look, this is from Sandy.
You know, Jeff,
Let's go get one more with the
I think it was
all
Google.
the presents around.
Show Nanny. Say hi, Nanny.
Hi, Nene.
Hi, Alex.
This is from Uncle Justin.
Yeah, Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma.
Oh, Daddy.
Hi, Graham.
Well, you got lots of books.
Graham,
That's
Graham, put your
nice.
hat on.
Let's open this card from Uncle Justin, okay?